I hope you're having an amazing Friday. Get out and enjoy this beautiful weather. It's going to be 80 today, and you know where I'm going. I'm at a job right now that's got incredible stains. Whenever you use FRESHstart Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning, I guarantee all my stains. So whatever stains any carpet cleaner has not been able to get out at your home, you call me, I guarantee I'll get it out and it won't come back. I'm here in Washougal, Washington with a really cool kid. This is Wesley, he's an organist. He built this thing, so watch for him at your local roller rink. But this kid right now is rocking out with an organ. I'm about ready to start this job. Remember, when it comes to carpet and upholstery cleaning, fresh start.
When it comes to carpet cleaning, fresh